Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe to it and hit the bell icon to get the regular updates. Guys, in today's tutorial, we'll see shortcuts around adding or deleting columns and rows in Excel without touching your mouse. So without any further ado, let's jump on to the demo. So here is the Excel that I have, guys. I have downloaded it from Google itself. I'll provide the same Excel, the link for the same Excel in the description so that you can download and have a practice. Um, so here we have a few random columns and rows. So we'll see the first case where we want to have a new column added in between the two existing columns. So here in my case, I just want to have a new column added before column B. So what I'll do, I'll select this column B first and then I'll just press Ctrl Shift plus. Also, if I want to repeat the same process or basically I want to create a new 4 columns, I'll repeat the same process for 4 times. So similarly, I'll just keep on pressing 4 times Ctrl Shift plus 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this particular way, we have created 5 new columns. Now this is what we have selected, a shortcut from adding a new column point of view. Now what we need to know, what we want to learn is a shortcut to delete columns. So here in my case, I mean, for that first you have to select the first column that you want to delete, and there is a shortcut for selecting the columns as well if you don't want to use your mouse. So here the columns that I want to be deleted are like B, C, D, E and F, where B is already selected. So C, D, E and F are on my right hand side. So what I'll do, I'll just keep press shift and I'll keep on pressing the right arrow till I reach to F. Similarly, if you have your column that needs to be deleted on the left hand side, you have to follow the same approach. In that particular case, you have to press shift and left arrow. That's it till you reach to the the last column that you want to delete. So here we have already, as you can see, we have selected column B, C, D, E and F. Now we just need to delete them. So for deleting these columns, we have a shortcut, that is you just need to press Ctrl minus. So as you can see, those columns got deleted. So now we'll see the third case where we want to have a new row added in between. So the shortcut for whether you want to add a row or column, the shortcut remains the same. The same is applicable even for the deletion as well. So the shortcut for deletion of a rows or columns is actually same. So here now we want to have a new column added, new row added in between second and third row. So what I'll do, I'll select first third row and then I'll press Ctrl Shift plus. As you can see, a new column, new row has been added. Now if you want to repeat the same process for 5 to create 4 new rows, I'll just press the same Ctrl Shift plus 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So as you can see, we have created 5 rows now. Now I want to actually remove them. So what I'll do, I'll just select the first row that I want to delete. So in the case of column, we're using left and right arrow to delete the column. So in a context of rows, you instead of a left and right arrow, you have to use up and down arrow. So here, since I want to now remove the rows like 4, 5, 6, 7, I'll use down arrow. So I'll just press shift and down arrow till I reach to row number 7. So as you can see, I have selected rows now. Now same case, I'll just press now Control and minus. So as you can see, we are successfully able to delete rows as well.
If you found the tutorial useful, do like the video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and hit the bell icon to get the regular updates. Thank you.